Hey guys, Shadow Dragon here with Team Shadow Airsoft, and today we have a unboxing for you. I'll tell you what it is as we're pulling it out though. But we're going to be opening with a Tac Force folding pocket knife, and we'll get right into it. By the way, if you have not already, go pre-register for Shadowlands on September 28th. All the information is on teamshadowairsoft.com, and it is at Airsoft Charleston off of Dorchester Road here in Charleston. Okay. Box is open. Here it goes. M132 Microgun. And there's another unboxing within the unboxing. It's pretty, guys. It's also stuck. There it is. This is the Microgun. This is actually, to be specific, the HPA Microgun. So, it is electric and HPA ran. The electric controls the winding or the rotation of it, and the HPA or gas, you can also use green gas by putting it in this container right here. Right there. So if you run out of HPA, you can always use green gas. Obviously it's not going to have as good of an effect, but the HPA tap is here with it. That connection, I believe, is also it. But input pressure not exceed 100 psi, 120 psi. But yeah, this is planned for Shadowlands. It's going to be a fun one, guys. So, yeah, I'm very excited about this. Very excited about this. I did not plan to get this in my lifetime, but I think a juggernaut at Shadowlands deserves a Microgun, don't you? Alright guys, this is Shadow Dragon. We'll see you next time.